What happens to the Atman during sleep? An individual experiences the gross world through three states of the mind: Jagrita Dasha, Swapna Dasha, Sushupti Dasha. Jagrita Dasha, the waking state; Swapna Dasha, the dream state; Sushupti Dasha, the deep sleep state. Jagrita Dasha is the state in which we are wide awake, when the five sense organs and the mind are active. The most significant aspect of the state is the capacity of an individual to recognize a thing which had been cognized, to recognize an object known some time back through the sense organs of vision, taste, smell, sound, or touch. Swapna Dasha is the dream state in which the individual enjoys the objects of senses while all the five sense organs are at rest and only the mind is working. Dream is the imitation of the experiences of the wakeful state with some modifications and is created out of materials supplied from the waking state. With these experiences unfolding, the individual is denied peaceful sleep. Sushupti Dasha is a state of deep sleep where the individual is oblivious of the outside world and the mind is also at rest along with the five senses. It is to be noted that in all the three states of consciousness, the I is continuous, permanent, and unchanging. This can be concluded based on one's own experience and also based on the authority of Shastras. The creation of dreams are real and are made by Bhagavan for the experience of pain and pleasure commensurate with the karma of the individual. They are real for two reasons. One, the feelings of pleasure and pain, fear, etc. are all really produced. These feelings also rouse us to some actions. Like for example, one suddenly gets up and screams. The creations in dreams are such that the dreaming Atman alone experiences them as the fruit of its own actions, and they last only as long as the dream lasts. In the deep sleep state, the Jivatma rests peacefully, blissfully with the Paramatma. One may have a question here. If the resting place for the Jiva in deep sleep is the Paramatma, then is Sushupti a state of Mukti? The answer is given by Vyasa in the Brahma Sutras. Sayevatu karmanusmriti shabda vidipyaha. The Jiva who goes to sleep is the same who wakes up on account of four reasons. 1. Karma. 2. Memory or recollection. 3. Shabda, scripture. And 4. Vidhi, injunctions. Firstly, the karma phala of karma done before sleep have to be experienced after waking up. Secondly, our experience of recognition and recollection, such as I who went to sleep early last night have now waken up after sunrise. This recollection proves that it is the same Atman which went to sleep and woke up. Thirdly, Upanishads categorically declare that it is the same jiva who went to sleep who then woke up. And lastly, the injunctions, the vidhi of our Shastras, which prescribe various sadhanas for moksha, would become meaningless if the jiva attains mukti in the state of sushupti. Therefore, the jiva that goes to sleep, having put off all the instruments of knowledge, which got tired, that jiva finds shelter in the Paramatma, where he rests, gets refreshed, and then wakes up again to continue the samsaric experiences. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.